This is the upper motor mount I'm going to install. And of course, I'm going to use plenty of Loctite. When you do this, you have to take these nuts off the rocker arm shaft. As you can see, I got quite a bit of shim washers to get it in the right position. It's important when you install it that this piece is on the lower side and the choke rod goes through there for the carburetor. Now the way I normally do this is I push it up there flat like that, and then I see how many of these thick washers it's going to take to shim it properly. Looks like the number is 2 in between. I have a total of 5 of these washers. I'm going to put 2 on the bolt. I'm going to set it in. I'm going to put 2 more on in between. Then I'm going to put 1 here. Even though this is a nylock nut, I'm going to put some Loctite on it. These nuts here have lock washers. Even though they have lock washers, I'm just going to put a very small dab of Loctite on them. These are 5/8. It's important to make sure you have this motor mount really tight and Loctite it. Very important. After getting all 4 of these nuts on, I realized I bought the Parkerized OEM style rocker shaft end nuts from Colony. The OEM Harley part number is 7831 for the nuts and lock washers, and they fit 36 to 47. The Colony number is 9842-8. I'm going to take what I have on there off and put these on. Of course, Loctite again. Alright, I feel like that looks so much better. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.